friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we solve internet problem in our Tecno phone. Guys, you want to solve guys your internet problem, so friends you can solve it. And guys, now let's see how to solve internet problem in our Tecno phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting to solve guys your internet problem. Then guys scroll and guys click on your phone system setting guys, and guys again scroll it, and as you can see guys, you see reset option. Guys click on your reset setting, tap here, and guys tap here. After that guys you can see this notification, so I draw your pattern, which pattern you have, and guys you have any password lock, so you can enter your password. So friends, tap here to solve guys your internet problem. So guys your setting has been reset, means your internet problem has solved in your Technophone, and guys you can use guys your internet setting without any problem. After that guys, we have any problem in your internet setting, so wait, don't worry guys, take a screenshot of your phone model number guys, send me in comment section. I will check guys, I will help you. Thanks for watching the video. Bye friends.